I'm a second year MBBS student from Srimati Kashibai Medical College and General Hospital, Pune. Today we are doing a research topic in the physiology department. The topic is association and correlation of BMI and waist hip ratio with hand grip strength and hand grip endurance. The instruments that will be required for today's research are as follows. We will be needing a BP apparatus. This is to check the blood pressure of the participants. This also helps us ensure whether they are not hypotensive or hypertensive. We also require a stethoscope for measuring we also measure the respiratory rate and other blood pressure. For that also we require stethoscope. Especially for waist hip ratio and waist circumference, we are using a measuring tape for each subject. The waist circumference is taken around the belly button, while the waist hip ratio is the ratio between the waist circumference and also around the hips, which is the largest and the widest point of the body. And finally, to measure hand grip strength and hand grip endurance, we are using a hand grip dynamometer. As we can see, this dynamometer is calibrated in kgs all the way from 0 to 50. The patient has to be seated comfortably in a chair, flexing their elbows at 90 degrees and having a firm grip on this instrument while using it. As we can see, when we press the instrument, this arrow gives us the exact reading of the current hand grip strength. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself R.Bokare. I am a student of second year MBBS from Kashibai Medical College. Today we are here to do the examination of the hand grip strength and the hand grip endurance. So with me is our volunteer for today is Dr.Santosh sir. So should we begin with it? So today we are using a hand grip dynamometer for measuring the hand grip strength and the hand grip endurance. The hand grip dynamometer shows us a handle and a calibrator which is starting from 0 to 50 and is measuring in kgs the weight. So to measure the hand grip strength, we are going to ask the volunteer to sit comfortably. We are going to ask him his dominant hand because we are going to measure the hand grip from the dominant hand itself. Your dominant hand is?
Right.
You have to rest your dominant hand on the chair. You have to flex it at 90 degrees from the elbow. You have to keep it at a semi-prone position so it's more comfortable. I'm going to handle you the dynamometer and see if the handle is perfect for you. You have to not touch the dynamometer to the chair or any part of the body. You have to not use your other hand to measure it or to use any part. So you have to check whether the machine is comfortable with your hand. What we are going to look at now is the readings. The reading starts from the 0. The volunteer has to use his maximum strength for 3 times. We are going to take 3 readings and the average reading is going to be the hand grip strength. So between all 3 readings, we are going to give the volunteer a 1-minute break to regain its energy. So the muscle does not go under any fatigue or anything. So should we start it?
Yes.
You can start it. Stop. So as you can see now, the reading is as 44. We'll get a 1-minute break now. Since now 1 minute is up, we can start with the second reading itself. Stop. So as you can see, it's 44 again, and now we can take a 1-minute break again. Let's take the third reading now as the second break of 1 minute is over. Should we start?
Yes.
Yeah. Stop. As you can see, the reading is at 42. The average of all 3 readings is coming to 43.3. So your reading is of hand grip strength is 43.3, which is a really good reading. So the average is 43.3, that is the hand grip strength. We have given the volunteer a 2 to 3 minute break between the hand grip strength and the hand grip endurance measurement. So now let's start with the hand grip endurance measurement. So what is hand grip endurance and how it is done? So to measure the hand grip endurance, we are going to take 70% of the hand grip strength. So as for the volunteer, this hand grip strength was coming to 43.3. So the 70% of 43.3 is coming to 31.1. So to measure the hand grip endurance, you have to tell the volunteer that you have to keep the arrow above 31.1 at all times, and you have to record the maximum time the arrow is going to be above 31.1. We're going to start a stopwatch once the 31.1 is crossed, and we're going to ask him to hold for the maximum time. When the arrow falls below 31.1, the timing is going to be stopped, and the whole timing is going to be recorded as the endurance time. So for you, the 31.1 is considered to be here.
Yes. Yes.
So you have to keep this arrow above 31.1 for the maximum period of time. The same rules apply as for the hand grip endurance.
Shall I start?
Just a minute, we'll start the stopwatch and we'll go ahead with it. You can see a start. Start.
Start.
Stop. So the time recorded is 18.75 seconds, which comes to 19 seconds as an average. So this is the hand grip endurance that we have seen. It's coming to 19 seconds. Thank you.